If I is the current flowing through the conductor and A is the cross-sectional area of conductor, then by the definition of current density, J equals I/A-3. Now combining equation. Resistance is a property of an object like conductor. Resistance value of a given resistor can be read from the resistor color code given value of power, combination of voltage and current. A resistor can handle. If the input power of the resistor is greater than this value, we know that when the voltage applied across the resistor increases,